Okay, hello everybody. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine, right? Okay, so today we are going to continue our lesson related to solving word problem. But our word problem today is related to the ratio, and this is our learning objective for today's lesson. So after finishing this lesson, you will be able to solve a problem related to the chain ratio. That's what I expect. I hope you can solve word problem related to the ratio. And this is the example that I would like to explain you. And after this example, you will practice doing exercise in your textbook as well as your workbook. So yeah, let's see the exercise here. You remember what I explained you yesterday, right? About the step of solving word problem. Do you remember what are they? Okay, so let me tell you. In order to solve word problems, you have to go through four steps. The first one is uh, understand the problem. So how can you understand the problem? You need to read it, right? Read it, read again and again, many times until you understand. Read and think. Make sure that you understand the problem clearly. So after you read, after you understand, then the second step is divide the plan. So think how can you solve that problem. And the third, it is carry out the plan. It means that you have to apply what you are thinking into uh, into practice in order to solve that problem. And the last step is to look back. It means that you have to check your answer whether it's right or wrong, or is there any condition that we might be forget to think of it. So you need to think about the condition as well in the case that that problem has the condition. Okay, so let's read all together in order to understand that problem. Okay, so Mrs. Lim poured some cereal into two bowls. The ratio of the mass of cereal in bowl A to the mass of cereal in bowl B is 9 to 5. She transferred half of the cereal from bowl A to bowl B. What is the new ratio of the mass of cereal in bowl A to the mass of cereal in bowl B? Okay, now after reading, then do you understand the problem? Are you clear? If not, you have to read it again, read it several times until you understand the problem. Okay, so now let's read it again one by one. Okay, Mrs. Lim poured some cereal into two bowls. The ratio of the mass of cereal in bowl A to the mass of cereal in bowl B is 9 to 5. So 9 to 5 is the ratio of the cereal in bowl A to bowl B. You don't know the amount of cereal in bowl A, also the amount of cereal in bowl B, also the total amount of cereal in each bowl. So you don't know. But however, you only know the ratio of the mass of the cereal in each bowl. It means that the ratio of the mass of cereal uh, in bowl A to bowl B. That is 9 to 5. So 9 to 5 here, suppose that if we have if we have 9 unit of the cereal in bowl A, then there will be 5 unit in bowl B. That is in proposal. but it can be more than that. For example, if you have 2 times of 9, which is 18, 18 units of the cereal in bowl A, so there should be 2 times of the cereal in bowl B as well. So 2 times of 5, that will be 10. Okay, so I just like to explain you the problem to make sure that you understand the meaning or the expression in the word problem. So let's next, yeah, see transfer half of the cereal from bowl A to bowl B. So see transfer half. It means that, for example, here 9 you need, so half of 9 that would be 4.5, right? So what is the new ratio of the mass of cereal in bowl A to the mass of cereal in bowl B? Okay, so that is how you think. You need to think, how can I get half of 9 you need? Because you need to transfer half of the 9 here to bowl B, right? So how can I get half of 9? Okay, so in order to get half of 9, you may need to cut any one you need into two equal parts, right? So for example, I cut here. But remember that in proportion as well as fraction, when you cut, you have to cut all. You don't need to cut only one, because if you cut only one, then you don't know how many you need. So now if I cut one unit here into two, then bowl A has 9 units, right? So if they have 9 units, then one unit cut into two equal parts. So totally there will be 18 units, right? And at the same time, bowl B you have to cut into two equal parts as well. So 5 units, when you cut into two equal parts, that will be 10. Okay, so this is after you transfer the 9 units to bowl B. Okay, so again, you can see that in each unit of uh, each unit of bowl A and bowl B were cut into two equal parts. So totally, bowl A has 18 units and bowl B has 10 units. And then you transfer half of bowl B, sorry, half of bowl A. So what is half of 18? Totally we have 18, right? So half of 18, that mean 9. So I transfer 9 from bowl A to bowl B. Then now you can see that how many um, mm, unit in bowl A. Yeah, totally we have 18, but we already take away 9. So there's only 9 in bowl A. And then bowl B, we have the previously we have 10. And now we transfer from bowl A is 9. So 10 plus 9, that would be 19. So yeah, the answer that we should put in this box is that we transfer 9, right, to bowl B. So this will be 9. And after you transfer, then you can see that bowl A has totally 9 units and bowl B has totally 19. So the new ratio of the mass of the cereal in bowl A to the mass of cereal in bowl B is going to, yeah, bowl A is 9 and bowl B is 19. So the ratio is 9 to 19. Okay, so that's all for my today lesson. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you tomorrow. But after we finish this, let's practice doing exercise today. So go to your Google Classroom and check the exercise altogether. Thank you.